Okay. Yeah, you don't get to see my head because it's way down here. I'm way up there. Just bear with me. I gotta turn. Yeah, ancient aliens. I gotta watch alien shit, you know, because aliens are, there's something out there. Okay. My brakes on this. I've got a centrifugal clutch this sumbitch, so I don't have to pedal. So what I did is I placed both brakes, pedal, or cut the pedal off, pointed them both the same direction, welded it, and I run my chain up to, I'm not going to leave a spring up here like I got now, it's just on there for temporary use till I bolt it down. But I'm going to have my chain go to here, where it'll be stationary, stuck, wrapped around my pedal, goes around the bottom of my sprocket instead of around the top and then back around like normal, and then to a spring on the top, which is my brake. These will be my foot pegs. They're going to come out and they're going to extend down about here at an angle. They'll be about right here, I would say, you know, somewhere so your feet are out in front of you. And when you want to stop, you just push on it. Hell, is that a brake or what? What do you call that? That's a brake. That's a brake and a half, man. Son of a bitch. But, I don't know. That's a pretty goddamn good idea, isn't it? So now, I got back brakes and everything on my forward, well, let's call it forward controls on a bicycle. Kind of like a motorcycle. Except cooler because I did it. There we go. That's the beginning. I'll record something later on for the rest. Bam!